So we've come inside to the model now, and in fact this represents a Headley steam engine, which is located here just behind us. It's a cross-section, so we can see what's really going on inside. There is a cylinder towards the back of the steam engine then, into which the steam enters. So there's a tube coming out and a valve on top. So what's really happening here to control the movement of steam into this?
Well, your valve on top allows the steam to go into one end of the cylinder, which will then push the piston inside until it gets to the end, when the valve on top will change direction. This will allow steam to go into the other end of the cylinder and push the piston in the opposite direction.
So there's more pressure on the side of the piston where the steam's coming in than on the other side. So that means overall force on the piston, which pushes it along. And then the piston is attached by a series of linkages to the wheel, which is actually doing the work.
OK, well, we can actually turn this model on then to see the piston movement in action.
The piston is then attached to a long rod, which is then connected to a crank, allowing it to turn a wheel. This wheel must then be somehow attached back to the valve so as it can be opening and closing at the right time.
Yes, there is known as an eccentric, which is basically a cam off-centre, which changes the direction of the valve.
It's all a very smooth motion, and the wheel is just continuously turning here.
That's correct, yes. You have to have rather a large flywheel in a simple engine like this one just to create the motion required, keep up the momentum.